Some players follow the game. Others change it. Shane Warne didn't just bowl leg spin. He made it legendary again. At a time when fast bowling dominated world cricket, Warne brought spin back to the spotlight. With skill. With intelligence. With pure drama. He wasn't just a bowler. He was a showman. In 1993, cricket witnessed magic. Warne bowled what became known as the ball of the century. A delivery that turned sharply from outside leg to hit off stump. It stunned batsmen. It shocked the world. And it announced the arrival of a genius. Warne didn't just bowl to batsmen. He played with their minds. Setting traps. Changing angles. Creating doubt. Every delivery had a purpose. He made batsmen think. And in cricket, hesitation is enough to lose your wicket. Before Warne, leg spin was considered risky. Unpredictable. Hard to control. Warne changed that perception. He showed that spin could dominate. Flight, drift, turn. He mastered every element. And inspired a generation of spinners. Warne thrived under pressure. Especially in the Ashes. When Australia needed breakthroughs, Warne delivered. He wasn't just consistent. He was clutch. Great players perform. Legends perform when it matters most. Warne wasn't just effective. He was entertaining. Crowds watched him not just for wickets, but for the drama. The stare. The celebrations. The confidence. He made cricket exciting. Warne's career wasn't perfect. There were setbacks. Criticism. Controversies. But he always came back. Stronger. More determined. His story wasn't just about success. It was about resilience. Warne finished with over 700 Test wickets. But his legacy is bigger than statistics. He changed how spin bowling was viewed. He inspired players worldwide. He brought artistry back into the game. Shane Warne wasn't just a cricketer. He was an artist. A strategist. A performer. He proved that cricket isn't just about power. It's about skill. Imagination. And courage to be different. Because legends don't just play the game. They leave it better than they found it.